2016 Dodge Challenger 5.7 HEMI. Beautiful car, man. Beautiful purple. Factory converter. There. It's only got 18,000 miles, guys. So you can tell the car is mint. So he brought his own FLOWMASTER Super 10s, offsets. There'll be a link in the description for him. Part number, let's see if we have him somewhere, 842518. So there'll be a link in the description for them. Then 2¼ pipe out the back. We did a rear delete there and there, and reuse his factory tips there and there. So like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and make sure you hit that notification bell for more beautiful content. Much better. Yeah. Here's sound decibels again. 105 again. That sounds good. Much better. We fixed the tip was bent. We fixed it. Oh, it sounds so good. Yeah, so nice. FLOWMASTER Super 10. Let you guys hear on the inside.